Welcome to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss wooden design stools 2023. Wooden stool designs hold significant importance in real life for several reasons. Functionality. Number one is functionality. Wooden stools serve as versatile pieces of furniture that can be used in various settings. They are commonly used in kitchen bars, restaurants, and cafes as sitting options. Their compact size and lightweight nature make them easy to move around and use in different spaces. Additionally, wooden stools can be designed with features like footrests and adjustable heights, adding to their functionality and comfort. Aesthetics. Wooden stools come in a wide range of designs, styles, and finishes, allowing them to complement different interior decor themes. Whether it's a rustic farmhouse, modern, industrial, or contemporary design, there is a wooden stool designed to suit every aesthetic preference. Their nature, warmth, and beauty add an element of elegance and charm to any space. Wood is a durable and long-lasting material, making wooden stools reliable sitting option. High-quality wooden stools are built in to withstand daily use and can last for years if properly cared for. And they are sturdy and stable, providing a secure sitting experience. In an era where sustainability is increasing, valued wooden stools offer an eco-friendly choice. And wood is a renewable resource, and when sourced responsibly, it has a lower environmental impact compared to materials like plastic or metal. By choosing wooden stools, individuals contribute to the reduction of plastic waste and support sustainable practices. Wooden stools can be easily customized to suit individual preferences. They can be painted or stained in different colors to match existing decor or create a focal point. I hope this video and designs will be helpful for you for the decoration of your living rooms, and so please thumb up, like, and comment this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.